If you need to change your flow trigger in Klaviyo, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything you need to know, so let's get into it. So we're going to go ahead now, and from our menu on the left hand side, we're going to look for flows. Now, to change the trigger, we are going to select the flow that we would like to change the trigger of. Now, if you go to the right hand side, you can click down over here and you can edit the details, right? If you click on edit details, you get the name and the tags. But what we want to do is we want to clone. So let's go click on clone. Here you can just add an appropriate name. So you can just say clone so that we know that's the version. Click on continue, and over here you will have the trigger. Here you can select the appropriate trigger that you'd like to have it changed to. You're going to go ahead and click on clone flow. This should take a few seconds just to process. You'll see now it says that it has been cloned, and it could take several minutes to create. You will also get a notification when it's ready to edit. You can go ahead, and it's now been cloned, and your trigger has been changed.